Start to boil eventually. So this right here is a little bit of ptarmigan and some potatoes and some carrots and onions. Move this along and bury it in the ash right over there. We're going to grab this flaming log and we're going to put that right there, and we're going to lay this in there. And there we go. Dinner is now cooking. Oh, I think the water's done boiling. Just need to grab the hot cocoa mix and marshmallows. Just the water, that. I have to admit, it's kind of cold, so it's like room temperature, so this ain't the best hot chocolate, but it still tastes pretty good. Know what else goes pretty well with room temperature hot chocolate?